Hello and welcome to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting videos. Today, we're going to dive deep into the features and specifications of the 3-channel Wi-Fi dash cam for cars. This incredible camera is a game changer in the world of car accessories, and we're going to tell you exactly why. First and foremost, this camera is packed with incredible features that make it stand out from the rest. The 1080p video recording capability ensures that you capture every detail on the road, giving you the peace of mind that comes with having high-quality footage in case of any unexpected incidents. But what's even more impressive is the rear-view camera that comes with the package, allowing you to keep an eye on what's happening behind the car. The 7-inch display size delivers crystal-clear visuals, making it easy for you to navigate through the settings and footage. The camera comes with a built-in Wi-Fi module, enabling easy connectivity to your Android and iOS devices. This means that you can view, download, and share the recordings directly from your phone through the dedicated app. It's as simple as that, and let's not forget the advanced driver assistance systems ADAS that come with this camera. This includes features such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and front vehicle starting reminder, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. The camera also comes equipped with GPS tracking, giving you real-time trip data including time, speed, and coordinates. Its 24-hour parking surveillance ensures that your car is being monitored even when you're not around. But that's not all. The camera also features loop recording, sensor technology, and 3-lens capability for front, interior, and rear recording. It's truly a comprehensive solution for all your car monitoring needs. To top it all off, the camera is packed with night vision technology, ensuring that you get clear footage even in low-light conditions. It's like having a pair of extra eyes on the road, giving you unparalleled peace of mind and safety. If you're looking for a car camera that offers superior quality, advanced features, and easy connectivity, then this 3-channel Wi-Fi dash cam is the perfect choice for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance the safety and security of your car. Click on the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and demonstrations right here on our channel.